Hi friends, let's learn about polymorphism in Java. There are two types of polymorphism, runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism. Let's cover some introduction part about polymorphism. Polymorphism is an important concept in object-oriented programming. It's from the four most important concepts of object-oriented programming, which are encapsulation, inheritance, and abstraction. And polymorphism. It treats objects of different classes common as objects of superclass, which helps in code reusability. Now let's see polymorphism in practical. Let's see an example of polymorphism. Friends, here I do have one class with name animal. I am going to create one method make sound in this class. Make sound, which implements some sound as the argument some sound. Okay, let's save this class. Later on I do have one class. The name of that class is dog. Class dog extends animal, which means it is inheriting the animal class. So let's implement the method from animal class in dog class. Let's delete it. Delete it as well. Now let's implement this method. As the argument, I am passing argument as bark, as dog bark. Similarly, I have another class with name cat. Similarly, we are also implementing the make sound method here. So let's do that. Let's delete it and implement the method which prints the message now. Now friends, let's go into main class. This is our main method, main class, for calling the methods and objects which we have created before. So let's create an object for class animal. Class name is animal. Constructor new. Again, we have to write the class name, and our object name is small letters in animal. Similarly, create an object for class dog and cat as well. New dog constructor, again class name dog object name small letters in dog. Similarly, create an object for cat class, new cat constructor semicolon cat cat is equal to new object name cat small letter. So now here we have created objects for every class. I have misspelling here. Let's correct that. Okay, fine. Now friends, let's call the method make sound by using the different objects. Same method we are calling by using different objects, that is the instances of objects. So let's call them animal dot make sound, dog dot make sound, and cat dot select the method from list make sound. Let's save the code. Now friends, let's run our code. Now friends, you can see that we do have an output, some sound, bark and meow. So friends, what we have done in this code, let's revise our code example for polymorphism. Here we have created one base class with name animal with a method make sound. Later on we have created two derived classes, uh, dog and cat. Dog and cat. That extends animal class. These two classes extends animal class and override the method make sound to provide their own implementations. This we have override this make sound method which override its own implementation in its new class. Now this is our main method. In main method we create objects of the class animal, dog and cat classes. We assign these objects to references of the base class animal. This is where polymorphism comes into picture. Despite the reference being of type animal, they can point to the objects of the derived class dog and cat. Now when we call the makeSound method on these objects, Java uses dynamic method dispatch to invoke the overridden method corresponding to the actual object type. This is why we see different outputs for my animal, my dog and we see different outputs for the objects animal, dog and cat. So this is all about polymorphism, where objects of different classes are treated as objects of a common superclass. I am repeating again. In polymorphism, objects of different classes are treated as objects of common superclass, and their overridden methods are called based on the actual object type. So friends, this is all about polymorphism in Java. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Please help to grow my channel. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks once again.